Back here with another video. And I want to do that truck video that I said that I was going to do in the last video. And I got stung when he opened the door earlier. He went in to put something on it. And here he comes right now. Well, I'm always to
give me the truck!
I'm getting robbed! You steal my truck, that's what he looks like. That's what he looks like. Get him! Not really, it's just the intro. We're gonna show off that truck now. Are you gonna hop out and take the camel? That guy won't shut up long enough. Here you go. Yeah, you guys probably wondering why I'm calling this thing a GMC Sierra. And come over here. Yeah, well, I would go get in the inside and show you in a minute. See, right here's a S15 GMC Sierra. And I will specify not every part's original to this truck though. But there's two things that says it's a GMC Sierra though. It says on the dash and that fender. You guys know what kind of cylinder that is? Straight four cylinder. I don't know why they put a 4-cylinder in a truck that echoes a lot. But yeah, I don't know what was we gonna say. I don't know why they put a 4-cylinder in a 5-speed truck. And let's take a look in the inside here. Yeah, you can go to the other side. So we have more room to record. Yeah, well here's the shifter, 5-speed shifter. Get a close up look at that. 5-speed, 4-wheel drive, and no stereo. I'm gonna put that one that I got from my dad's car in here. I'll show you. It says the same thing right here, GMC Sierra S15. And I got some parts to like fix the clutch in it. It's down. Got some spare parts for the bed and some other stuff. So what?
Cap holders?
Oh yeah. Cap holders in the glove box right here. I probably won't be using probably won't be using those much since I'm gonna be off-roading, be bouncing around. So I doubt I'll be using it. And this is the only window that works in it.
This window.
Well, I haven't tried the center one yet. It had tape on it, so I figured it didn't work.
Well, this window doesn't work, but you can take a picture. That's how it's hard.
Yeah. Take a close up look at that. Show me it's fixing this.
Look how. Look.
Yeah, the guy I bought it off of said he hit a nail and it knocked that window out of it. So he put plexiglass back in it. So let's go back here. Yeah, me and my brother took the bed off of it to get to the fuel pump here to fix it. That was down. And the muffler is basically exploded.
Subscribe to me, Colleen.
I'm getting choked up out here. Yeah, take over for a minute. I need a beetle.
But he is trying to say is that it's not roadworthy at all. Not at all. It's got holes all over it. This shop. You shouldn't be able to stick your finger in that. And like it's just busted. See? Just busted up everywhere.
Yeah. The leaf spring is basically breaking off the frame right here. That's the cow's telling you. So you shouldn't be able to do that. And you see, the bed ain't much either.
Yeah.
And now that was when I got the bunch of wasserman, and it's all over this truck. So that's how come cow got stung earlier when you opened the door. I figured that was all gone by now. And one more thing. If I can, I'm gonna turn this piece of gutter into a smokestack for this truck. Yeah, that is kind of unheard of, ain't it, for a 4-cylinder smokestack? What about here? Up to the side of the truck.
Yep. This truck's gonna be loud though.
Yeah. How many of you guys would like to see a gutter mounted onto the side of the truck for a smokestack? Leave a comment down below if you would like to see that. And if I do it, yeah, you guys will see it. So this has been What Not to Do, out raining, and I'll catch you in the next one.